Good morning, Aroha 3. Today, our sentence is going to start with the words I have. Now, we've already gone over the word I, so let's look at this next word, have. Even though it says the word on the side here, the word have, I want you to pretend it's not there. So pretend you don't see it, and I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to say the word have. Have. Now say it slower. Have. Now, I want you to remember that sound that you were saying, and I want you to try and pull all the sounds out, okay? Have. Hat. That's an H. Have. Nice. Apple. A. V. Have. V. Not b for ball. V. Not f for fish. V. That's right, it's the letter V for van. Van. At the end of the word have, we have a sneaky E. Do you know why it's sneaky? Because we can't hear it. That's why it's called a sneaky E. And we have just sounded out the word have. I have. What do I have? I have keys. I have keys. Let's sound out the word keys. Keys. Let's try. Yes, it makes a k sound. Keys starts with a K. Key. Yeah. Why? That's right, for yellow. Keys. I have keys. Z. What does that sound like? I have keys. Keys. S. That's right. It sounds like an S. And if you say it slower, keys, it might sound like a Z. Now for writing, we need this at the end of our sentence to tell the person that's going to read it that they need to stop. They need to take a breath. Do you remember what it's called? A full stop. Okay, now just as a point of reference for our parents, I know I haven't spelt keys right, but writing isn't all about getting it perfect. So the main idea that we want our children to get is that they're pulling those sounds. Now it might not be the right sounds and it might not look right, but as you say it, it has all the sounds that they've pulled out. So over here I've had the word S and Z because they make similar sounds when children are saying it. And so if they're able to identify that sound in a word that they don't know how to spell, then that's success. Okay, back to the kids. Alright, so out of 3, we have how many words? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 words today. Let's do 3 big claps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good work, Aroha 3. You've done an amazing job. Now, I have a massive challenge for you. Are you ready? I want you to write me 3 sentences of things you have on your body. Okay? I have. What do you have on your body? You might want to start with your face. What do you have on your face? You might want to start next on your... What are these? What are these? What do you have 2 of down here that's helping us to walk? I have That's right. Okay. I look forward to seeing your photos. I look forward to seeing your videos of your sentences. Don't forget talent show today. So please be ready with your foies, your lays that you have made to wear to your talent show this morning. And I will see you then.